Hey, what's happening, guys? Hey, today I'm going to be unboxing and installing this Neverland UTV cover. Neverland was nice enough to reach out to see if I would want to demo their new UTV cover. So this cover here is 126 inches by 65 by 73 inches. And like I said, it's made by Neverland. It's a black color. It does have like reflective handles, different locations on the cover. Should work out nice. This is a good product to have if you want to keep your side-by-side or golf cart clean and dry, away from the snow and rain. Some people actually store their machines outside during the winter, and you can just put this cover over the top of it and it'll keep it nice and protected from the elements. Let's go ahead and unbox it, and then we'll see how easy it is to throw on. Here's a little instructional guide. Comes in this nice bag. So it looks like it comes with 3 of these straps and only 2 of these little buckles. Nice bright reflective strip on there in case you're storing this, next to maybe a driveway or something like that. That's gonna illuminate at night so somebody doesn't accidentally run into your machine. I'll get it unfolded and then we'll throw it over. So these 2 here are actually extra. They send those to you just in case the buckles get damaged during shipping. Mine did not. So the ones that are included are already on there. You can unsnap those. Run it underneath the machine, those long straps under the machine, and then cinch it down. So on this side you have a loop. You just feed one side through the loop there and then pull it to the other side. Alright, there you go, guys. Have it installed. That took maybe 5-10 minutes. Looks like a very nice cover. I only have 1 strap on right now because this is not the spot where I'm going to keep it. I just want to test it out. That strap, once you figure out how to do it, it's pretty easy. Basically, you feed one side of the strap through the loop that's already built into the cover. On the other side is the buckle, and you go over there and feed the other strap through the buckle on the other side and cinch it down. Oh, it works out real nice. It's elastic front and back. Yeah, I like it. I'll leave a link in the description of the video if you guys want to pick one of these up. Looks great, man. Yeah, I definitely recommend this if you guys are in the market for one of these covers. Go out and pick one up.